Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're taking a closer look at the Paxa OpenAir 5 OWS translation earbuds. Do they really work as real-time translators or are they just another tech letdown? Quick disclaimer, this review is based on my personal opinion and research from Amazon and Reddit user feedback. So here's what Paxa claims. These earbuds offer instant real-time translation in multiple languages, plus AI noise cancellation, a comfy open-air design, Bluetooth 5.4, and even waterproofing. Sounds perfect for travel, business, or learning, right? But after digging into reviews and user experiences, the reality is mixed. What's good? They're super lightweight and comfortable for long wear. AI noise cancellation does help make your voice clear during calls. The open air design means you stay aware of your surroundings. Bluetooth connection is generally stable and easy to pair. Now the bad stuff, sound quality, honestly, it's pretty weak. Music sounds tiny and flat, lacking any real depth or bass. The app setup is complicated. You have to pair the earbuds, bind them to an email, and enter an activation code from a tiny card. Lose that card and you're stuck. Translation isn't truly real time. It's records, uploads, processes, then translates, causing frustrating delays in conversations. There is your price subscription fees $29.99 per year for full translation access and $59.99 for more recording minutes. Confusing branding, the box says Hyundai, the earbuds say Paxa, and the app is called Nebula Buds. Who's behind this product? No one seems to know. If you want solid sound or a hassle-free translation experience, look elsewhere. But if you're up for a tech product with tricky setups, slow translations, and hidden fees, this could be your pick, though I wouldn't recommend it. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more honest tech reviews.